Believe it or not, there is time and a place for a cheaper, more affordable drill. Up here, it actually makes sense. And it might sound unfair for me to compare this drill to the DeWalt or the Tepco or even the Ryobis. But this makes sense, and let me show you why. And here's the whole point. This is the DeWalt drill. There's 5.3 pounds. 5.3 pounds, it's quite heavy. You put this one in here, and you have 2.9 pounds. So it's half the weight. The DeWalt, definitely stronger, but up here, this little one makes sense because what's gonna happen is that it's lighter, it's smaller, it's easier to handle, easier to put into places. This one, my hand is literally shaking. That's how heavy it is. But this one is just like 2 fingers. So you have to be up here for it to make sense. This is made by a company called GardenJoy. It's the 6918S. And this is a much smaller drill. What you get in the box is this tiny drill. You get a battery, which is a 30 watt hour, 21 volts. So it's a pretty strong battery. You have a charger for it. They send you a pair of glasses, protection glasses, and then you have these tools which will allow you to drill. Have a pedal tool. You have this socket adapter for these sockets over here, so you could put a socket on it. And you have drill bits, and you have a bunch of... To compare it against the DeWalt, which has a 3-speed percussion and all kinds of extra power, will be unfair, right? But you're not buying this drill to build a house. You're buying this drill because it's light. It's very, very small and light. Now I know DeWalt makes smaller drills, but here's the trick. The DeWalt small drills cost a lot of money. This is very affordable, so that would be one of the reasons that you would use it. So what do you get? It's a little magnet here in the back. It holds a couple of screws for you. The battery is removable, so it has a button over here. It's easily removable. You have direction, so you could change the direction from left to right. You have multiple clutches over here, so you could lock the front of it into a full drilling position. So this is full drilling position right now. And then you have 2 speeds. So you have slow and fast. One has more torque, the other one has less torque. How strong is it? It's pretty strong, even in the speedy one. In the torquey one, I can hold it. So definitely I cannot hold it. For a little tool, it's actually impressively strong. Let's drill a hole, see what happens. This is the biggest one that I could fit here. So let's see. You only get 1 battery with it, but it lasts pretty good. So let's see, can we drive that thing in here real quick? Somehow it provides constant torque to drill that leg in. These are all the drills that sit on my shelf, and this was my to-go drill before. Why? Because it was lighter than all of them. But you know what? I think we have a new one that is even lighter and most likely is going to get a lot of use. Thanks for watching.